Let's see what's going on in the living room today. Um, 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 this may not be acceptable.
I'm having ground issues.
I'm having concern issues.
That's why I sprayed water all along the face of the wall first.
What are you doing, Thomas?
Not welding rebar.
In the living room.
I don't know if there's enough stuff on it where it's not really fighting.
There's enough stuff on it so it's not really what?
I mean, I don't have a good ground because of all the oxidation on the rebar, so it's not really. It might kind of be a little futile.
Well, it sure stinks. Oh my God, it's going everywhere. Oh my God. This is a terrible idea. The stuff flew over there.
What?
Over there. Right up against the edge of the carpet. We're all gonna die.
That's what the water bottle's for.
Yeah.